buyers actually want in 2026 and what's actually over. Hi, my name is Mark Hewitts and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland. And if you're thinking about selling your home this year, you need to know what buyers are actually looking for right now this year. Design trends have shifted in a big way, and it's not about following trends for fun. It's about knowing what makes buyers stop scrolling and book a showing. First things first, gray, it's done. Buyers have moved on. They want warm tones. The warm tones are in. Think caramel, sage, terracotta, soft navy. These colors make a home feel like a sanctuary and not a showroom. Now here's something wild. Color drenching is up 149% in listing descriptions on Zillow. That's where you coat the walls, the ceilings, the trims in one cohesive hue. It photographs beautifully and creates that emotional pull that buyers are looking for. Art deco details are in. Arched doorways, brass accents, curved edges, they're all surging. You don't need a full renovation. Only one or two moments of character can go a long way. Open floor plans aren't dead, but buyers no longer want an undifferentiated box. They want a flow and definition, a dedicated home office, a reading nook, distinct zones. These are the selling points now. They're not drawbacks. Wellness features are exploding as well. Spa-inspired bathrooms, natural light, biophilic design. These are being mentioned more and more in listings. In fact, it's up 30% over last year. And here's what most sellers are missing today. Buyers aren't deciding in seconds. They're forming a strong impression before they ever step inside. Warm, textured layer spaces photograph dramatically better than stark white minimalist ones. That visual first impression directly affects how fast your home moves and what kind of offers it generates. The good news is you don't need to spend a fortune to make these upgrades. Upgrade your hardware, a warm paint color, swapping out outdated light fixtures. These are all small moves with real impact. A $500 paint refresh could genuinely change your results. So if you're thinking about getting your home ready to sell and you want to know what actually is worth doing and what not to do in your price range, don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's exactly the kind of conversations that I love having. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. And we look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a wonderful week. Please don't hesitate to give me a call if you have any questions about real estate. And please keep me in mind if you know of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. We love your referrals. Take care.